This morning is really good and very fresh. I'm enjoying this morning. Uh, it's 6 a.m. right now, and it is raining. Can you understand? It is raining in this morning, and I am enjoying the rain. Uh, I think it's called drizzling. It's not cats and dog. Uh, I hope you can see it. This is why this morning is very fresh to me. Uh, I am feel I am feel like very cool. The weather is cool, and my mind is cool right now. And I am sitting in my balcony, and I am watching this raining scenery. Uh, there is uh, there is a mild light uh, all around us. The sky is not so dark, but it's very darkish, and rain is dropping. I am enjoying here. My conversations are uh, not so high quality because I have no script. I am not scripted, oh, and I am trying to learning English. I am trying to speaking in English, and that is why my speaking is very bad, and my speaking is very low quality. So as it is not scripted, so whatever I think, whatever I feel in my mind, I talk about that right now. I sit here, but I can't explain that way. Uh, in which way I explain, uh, and I thought my native language. So native language and English language is not so easy. We are used to in our native language, and whenever I go to uh, uh, think something, that time I think in my native language. But nowadays I am trying to think about English language, because uh, if I uh, if I can able to think in English, then my English will be uh, output. Then my English will be in a good output, because whatever I think, I can talk about it. And where I sit right now, where I am sitting right now, this is my balcony, and I can show my balcony. Uh, Here are some trees. Here are some plants actually. This is a flower tree. Here are some trees like grass flower, cactus, aloe vera, China rose tree, a rose tree, a money plant also, and they are my family members. But but this small garden is my wife's hobby. She plants these trees here, and we take care, both about these trees every day. The rain is dropping repeatedly. The rain is dropping uh, very seriously right now. I am enjoying. A bird is flying. Some birds are flying. This scenery is very good to me. This scenery is very enjoyable to me. In this fresh morning, I can feel my childhood. In our childhood, whenever it start the rain, we go out, and we wait in the rain, and we played in the rain, especially football. We played football whenever the rain started. We started football. We played football with my friends. So this is an exciting factor. This was an exciting factor. And we slept on the mud. We played many things. In the rainy season, in the rain, like kabaddi. We played kabaddi. We played football. We played cricket. We played hide and seek. We jumped on the pond. We jumped on the river, and we swim. We swim. That was the day. That was the days. Those days I missed a lot. I think everybody missed their childhood, and childhood is and our childhood is a good memory. Thank you.